everybody, this is Adam Pecoraro from Flexoraro Fitness, and today we're going to be watching Kelly do her workout. Now, Kelly does a lot of strength training and HIIT workouts. Most of the time I film her HIIT workouts, and I think that's because for a lot of people who are looking to get in shape, a HIIT workout is ideal, especially if you have a busy schedule. So whether you want to squeeze in a workout during your lunch break or you want to get in shape for an event, there is research that shows that you can achieve more progress in a 20-minute HIIT workout in 20 minutes of interval training done 2 to 3 times a week than a person who's jogging on the treadmill for like an hour. Now, just 2 weeks of high-intensity interval training can improve your aerobic capacity as much as 6 to 8 weeks of endurance training. Not only do you burn more calories during a high-intensity interval training workout than a steady-state cardio workout, but the effect of all that intense exertion can kick your body's repair cycle into hyperdrive. And that means you burn more fat calories in the 24 hours after a HIIT workout than you do after, say, a steady pace run. That's not to put down running. Running can be a great release, and it can be very functional. But if you're not looking to compete in a marathon and specifically want to increase muscle tone, burn calories, and improve your anaerobic cardio output for daily functional activities, then nothing really beats the benefits of solid HIIT training done consistently. Now, the first exercise that Kelly's doing here is a straight leg deadlift. Then she's going to clean the dumbbells up to her shoulders, and she's going to do a pulse squat into a thruster. So the straight leg deadlift is going to work her posterior chain, her calves, her hamstrings, her glutes, her back. Then when she does the clean, that's a power move and a functional move. You're lifting something heavy up to a controlled state. She drops, pulses, and then rides the second pulse straight up into a shoulder press. So her legs assist with the shoulder press. I mean, it's a total body exercise, very challenging, but well worth the effort to master it because it affects your body in a positive way by working multiple muscle groups and really getting your heart rate up. Exercise number 2 is for mobility and strength. This is called Loaded Beast, and she goes into a classic push-up. A Loaded Beast is great for strength training, is great for a core training variation, but it's also good for joint mobility, flexibility in the back, the hips, the knees, the ankles, and the shoulders. It's kind of like a variation on downward dog from yoga. So now she has this movement here, which is simply disguising the repetition and adding a little bit of coordination to her reverse lunge and her lateral lunge, 2 exercises that she's very good at. She steps back, racks the weight into a shoulder press, and then she transitions it to the opposite hand for her lateral lunge. You can see her right leg's going back and her right leg's going out to the side. When her right leg's back, her right arm is holding the weight. Transition happens right there, left arm holding as she strides out. Her last exercise is a squat into a ski twist, which is a great way to change the variation on plyometric work for the legs. And I think it's a little less intense than a jump squat, but a lot more fun and still has great fast twitch muscle benefits or speed benefits and puts your heart rate right through the roof, so it's a good way to finish your round. Now, Kelly did everything that you just saw after she did about a 20-minute strength training workout for her arms and abs. And she did this 3 times with 60 seconds of maximum reps and a 30-second recovery interval. You just watched her 3rd set. Great job as always, Kelly, and thank you for leading by example. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. If you want to do me a favor, please click the thumbs up button and like this video. Subscribe to our channel so that you always know when a new video is released. And if you leave a comment, I will respond. Hey, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.